So today, guys, I used my Beyond Steak. What I did was made it steak and eggs. I have mushroom, bell peppers, onion, green peppers, green onions, and I'm just trying to get my protein in for this week. It feels so good out here. I'm just out here getting my 30-minute walk in. I already had my little section, so I'm out just out to get my walk in. I was sure wanted to have a good day on today. There's some fresh grass out here. As you can tell, this yard it looks so nice. Look really nice. That wind feels so good. So I'm just out here getting my walk in. And this walk right here is going to be more like a peaceful walk. I'm just going to record. I'm just going to be showing you guys the park and everything. I have my face mask on me because that grass sometimes mess with my allergies and stuff. I might put it on because it's fresh grass. I had walked in the neighborhood yesterday. It was like probably it was in the I know it was in the evening time. So my daughter and I we just took a walk in the neighborhood. I had a long day yesterday. In my videos, someday they be like a day before, because sometimes I just don't have the energy. Sometimes just to you know, edit videos. Sometimes I just be, I just don't have the time. So I just do it the next day. Like today is Wednesday, September the 3rd. I post this for Thursday because I know I'm not gonna edit it when I leave here. That I got other things to do, so I just don't have time to do it. Still nice out here regardless of what. Still got little grasshoppers out here hopping around. And I'm out here early today, guys. My session was at 8:30 this morning. It used to be at 9:30, but I came in an hour early. So I really got to had a chance to get out here and get it done while it's still cool. As y'all can see, we got plenty of wind blowing. Very nice out here. Very nice morning. I'm gonna take the trail today. This park gonna take me all the way down to the end of the other park. So I'm gonna take the trail this morning. Little mushrooms. Some mushrooms are poisonous. Get this walk done and over with. And I have a break at 12 to 1 o'clock. And that's why I'm relaxed. I might take me a nap because I was up early this morning. So I'm taking a nap and get my day over with. And I'll be home after 2:30. Until Thursday, Friday, I'm at home regardless. Uh, so I can get my walk in, guys. And thank you guys for watching my video and my shorts. I appreciate you guys. And to my new subscribers, thank you guys. I appreciate you guys stepping in. Thanks for everybody who be supporting me, who comment on my videos. I appreciate that so much. In case you guys didn't know, to the new people, I walk daily. I don't only do it for health wise reasons. I do it for a lot of other reasons. Mentally, I do it. That's why I do a lot of walking as well. And then I just try to keep myself in shape. So it's just not out here walking just to lose weight. It's other issues I got. And I can tell they are working. I'm just going to continue. And this month here, I will be doing sit-ups. I do 30 sit-ups a day for the month of September. Since September is on 30 days. So I'm doing 30 sit-ups. And I'm doing my arms uh, exercise too. So I do challenge every month. And I'm also the Lunchwalker challenge. But some of these challenges I do for myself to keep myself motivated. So I do weekly motivated challenges for myself as well. And for this month here, it would be the sit-ups. The 30 sit-ups is, that's not a lot, but I'm doing because it's 30 days in a month. So, I'm just trying to work on my arms and around my waist area. So that's why I've been doing it. I just try to put that in there as far as a challenge for myself. And guys, this steak was so good. That's the first steak I had this year. So I won't be eating no more steak. That's why I really enjoyed it. As you can see, I'm gonna cross over, looking both ways. There's a squirrel. I'm gonna go through this way. This is the other end of the trail. I'm gonna go down this trail here. So I'm on the other side of the park. Excuse me. I'm on the other side of the park. And it's gonna take me right back where I was, guys. And I'm walking in my own pace. I'm not rushing. And y'all can see that it's a bench right there. I'm gonna sit there for about 15 minutes. Not on this side here, but the other side was closer to the where I came from. But it's a bench just like that one on the other side. I'm gonna go sit over there for about 15 minutes. I'm not gonna do it on this side here because I still got a little while to go. So I'm just out here enjoying my 30-minute walk. I left my smile watch at home. So I can count my calories, but I got my phone. It can show me how many steps I made. Now I'm not gonna sit right here. I'm gonna go to the other side, sit. It's about 5 more minutes. I'll be sitting down. But guys, I'm not gonna keep you guys. And this is what I'm going to enjoy my rest of the week. I'll be back in my old park tomorrow. Look at this shade. Feels so good. A little shade. Okay, guys, until next time, peace out and have a good day.